Struggling with a messy signature background? Let me show you a quick trick in Microsoft Word to clean it up in seconds. Go to the top menu and click on Insert. Then choose Pictures. And select your signature file. Once the image is added, double-click on it. This will open the Picture Format tab at the top. Next, click on Corrections, then select Picture Corrections options. On the right-hand side, you'll see Adjustment Settings. Start by increasing the sharpness. Set it to around 60%. This helps make the signature lines clearer. Then adjust the brightness to about 40%. And the contrast to around 40% as well. These settings help reduce or remove the background while keeping the signature visible. Now, go back to the top and click on Crop. Use the Crop tool to remove any unwanted edges or extra space around the signature. Once you're happy with the result, right-click on the image and click Save as Picture. Choose where you want to save it. And that's it. Your signature is now clean and ready to use. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.